Hello, friends. I guess Christmas and your birthday showed up this week because we got a 5 off of 20 for Gain products over at the Dollar General. We're going to look at this at any everyday deals, and then we're going to look at it using the 5 off of 25 on Saturday. So if you wish to do it earlier in the week or if you want to do it on Saturday, I have you covered with a whole bunch of really fantastic deals. So a couple of rules with this. Saturday, the 26th, you're going to get the biggest savings because the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 stack. Some regions it don't, and I will talk about that in a quick second, but for most of us it works. I would definitely look up each of the items that we're talking about in this video in the app right now and load the digital coupons. Do it at the latest by Friday, because if you go to the Dollar General at 9 o'clock on Saturday morning, the app seems to be working fine, but between noon to 4 p.m., it seems to be choking. And my suspicion here is that there's a lot of shoppers shopping right now to save the most amount of money. It usually happens during clearance events, but it's been happening every Saturday between like 11, 12, right till about 4 o'clock. If you're a scanner and you're using the app, go at 9 o'clock in the morning or go after 4 o'clock. Seems to be the best window. Pay attention to the math that it balances for you. Any issues that you have, don't be shy to void your transaction. And if you are a newbie, really pay attention, or I would pass on this because this gets very confusing very quickly. Okay, guys, so for those that can't stack the digital 5 off of 20, you can use one of these paper ones. So if you bought anything last weekend, you probably got one of these, or even if you look in a shopping cart, you probably would have it, or sometimes cashiers have them on hand. So make sure that you have one of these if your region it doesn't work. Now, as I was describing earlier in the rules, usually on Saturday you get this unsuccessful scan, or it'll just like scroll nonstop where nothing will work, or you'll have to log back out and log in to your Dollar General app. And it's usually between 11:30 noonish right to 4 o'clock, because that's when I think the bulk of shoppers are on the app, and it's becoming a Saturday issue. I think there's so many people trying to save money, not only couponers, but just regular shoppers, and it's just taking the app to its knees, to a screeching halt. So I would recommend to go first thing in the morning on Saturday or after 4 o'clock. That's when the app seems to be working. And make sure that you have all of your digital coupons also loaded that we're going to be describing in this video, so you at least will be ready to go shopping on Saturday. The first two deals we're going to look at are any day deals. 100% digital as well, so anyone can do it. Very newbie friendly. So the first coupon that we need loaded is the 5 off of 20. And this is what we're grabbing for our basket. A Gain detergent for $7.50. The one on the left, the one in the center is the fireworks for $4.50. And then 3 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent. Just to take a quicker look, like, what do the tags look like? So as you can see, this guy is $7.50. And yes, most of these P&G products have jumped in price, and I have noticed. We're going to need this $2 digital coupon loaded, which is a $2 off, not a bad little coupon. And then for the fireworks, I always love grabbing these fireworks, $4.50. It's such a great product. And then we have this dollar digital coupon loaded, so please make sure you have that guy loaded to participate on Saturday. And then we're going to grab 3 of these guys, which are the Febreze Air Effect with the Gain scent. Now, when you're in the store, you really got to pay attention, guys, that you're grabbing the right stuff. And just to show you, like, Gain is written on it, but there's so many different sprays that, it could happen to any of us where we grab the wrong one, but really pay attention. And then the digital coupons that we need loaded include the $1 off. I believe this guy showed up last week or so hopefully you could still load it. And then this one showed up earlier in the month, which is the 3 off of 2. As we had a clearance event earlier in the month, if you might have used it, all digital coupons are of a one-time use. I have another deal for you, but if you still have this on your account, yes, you can use it. So please make sure you have it loaded. So here is the math for this any day deal, especially if you're a newer shopper or newbie, this might be for you. Grabbing one of those Gain detergents for $7.50, 1 fireworks for $4.50, 3 Febreze with the Gain scent Air Effects, those cans of spray at $3 a pop, that's $9. So the total for your basket here is $21. As the cashier is scanning all of this merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier hits the final pay button. The 5 off of 20 comes off along with $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $9 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.80 per product. That is kind of awesome. Okay, the second any day deal we have is we're not going to be factoring in all those Febreze Air Effects because I know not all of you have that 3 off of 2. We're going to load this guy, which is the 5 off of 20. Make sure you have it loaded. First item we're going to grab, the first 2 items we're going to grab is the Gain detergent, the larger one for $7.50, and then the fireworks for $4.50. So we're going to grab these 2. Now we have to have these 2 coupons loaded, which is the $1 off for the fireworks and then the $2 off for the detergent. Now we're also going to grab one of these Swiffer Wet. It's like a mopping cloth with the Gain scent. See, it's on the box right there. These are $5 a pop. And then we have a $1 digital coupon that's attaching. And the final item that we're going to grab is one of these Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent. Make sure you grab the one with the Gain. And then we need this $1 digital loaded for this deal. Again, this is an any day deal, so if you want to go earlier in the week when the app isn't freaking out on Saturday, maybe this is for you. So one of the Gain detergents for $7.50, one Gain fireworks for $4.50, one Swiffer Gain that floor pack for $5, and then one Febreze Gain Air Effect for $3 on the nose. So adding all of that magic up together, that's $20 on the nose. As the cashier is scanning all of your merch, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off of $20 general Gain coupon is coming off. And then along with $5 of digital manufacturers, you're paying $10 for the 4 products, shaking it out to $2.50 per product. Okay, so to answer a quick question, because these new Gain Power Blast, in some stores they have appeared. I don't know if our stores just haven't gotten a truck in like 5 years or what the story is, but that $3.99 off of 2, I have spent mine like when it showed up earlier in the month. But this is an alternative, but I'm not going to do a matchup with it because we don't even have the merchandise in rural Michigan, so I'm just passing on it. But to throw this in your back pocket in case you wish to buy these, we have this $3.99 off of 2 if you didn't get in on that action a couple weeks back when they were really cheap. This might be an alternative. For a lot of these Febreze products, definitely look at these end caps. So at the end of the aisle, at the very top, they usually have Airwick and Febreze. And if you look right closely, a lot of these are the Air Effects with the Gain scent. And then they also have a small spaces too if you look closely. So don't just look in the regular air care aisle. You sometimes have to get creative, and definitely sometimes side caps, end caps is where you can find a lot of this stuff that we need for these little deals. Okay, so let's talk about Saturday, March the 26th. We're going to look at 2 deals. For this first one, we need our 2 friends, which is the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 loaded. And this is what we're grabbing for our cart. A $7.50 Gain detergent, that wet pack for $5, the Air Effect for $3, the firework for $4.50, and then 2 Garnier Fructis at $3 a pop. So this whole smorgasbord of goodness. So just what's new in this deal, it's 2 of these for $6. So the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, if you want to grab 2 shampoos or a mix. And then we have this 3 off of 2. Now, yes, this is a Dollar General store coupon, but this will not affect your balance. Use it as a regular coupon. The only time you have to worry about your balance being skewed is when we have a deal such as like a couple weeks back with the Cottonelle where it's a 4 off of 20, which is instant savings at the till. And we have this $2 digital for that larger detergent, the $1 for the fireworks. Make sure you have all of these loaded, the $1 for that wet pack, and then the $1 for the single can of the Gain Air Effects, Febreze Air Effects. Okay, so here is our deal for Saturday. 1 detergent for $7.50, 1 Gain fireworks for $4.50, 1 Swiffer Gain that floor pack for $5, and then 1 Febreze with Gain that Air Effect for $3, and then 2 of the Garnier Fructis at $3 a pop. That's $6. So the total here is $26. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. Then when the cashier hits the final pay button, 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 will come off along with $8 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $8 for the 6 products or $1.33 per product. We're getting Gain detergent for this cost. Like, wow, this is really, really great. So superb, superb deal. I absolutely love this one. And the last deal that we're going to look at, we're just going to change it around. So we're going to need our two best friends loaded, which is the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. Remember, we're going on Saturday the 26th for this. Here's our basket, but we're going to add a couple extras to this. We have the detergent, the wet packs, the Febreze Air Effects, and the Gain Fireworks. So these 4 core items. Now to the basket, we're not going to grab any shampoo. We're going to grab this shaving cream for $3 on the nose. And I noticed that one of them was ringing up for $2.70 as well. So just be mindful of that. And then we have this $2 digital. So like that is a really generous coupon for shaving cream. And then we're also going to grab one of these Playtex Sport for $3.50. That's the sales price this week on this product. That's a really good price point. And we have a $2 digital coupon that's attaching to that product. So that is kind of awesome. So the other digital coupons that we need include the $2 off for the larger Gain detergent. So make sure that you have that loaded, along with the $1 for the fireworks. You can grab a softener or something else if you wish, but I'm going with fireworks. And then for the floors, we have our $1 off, so make sure you have that guy loaded. And then the final coupon that you need loaded for this deal is the $1 for the Febreze Air Effect. Okay guys, so again, we're going on Saturday the 26th for this deal. One Gain detergent for $7.50, one Gain fireworks for $4.50, one of those Swiffer wet pack moppy things for $5, one Febreze with Gain that air effect for $3, one Skintimate shave cream for $3, one Playtex for $3.50. Adding all of that up, that's $26.50. As the cashier is scanning your merch, that's when you punch in your phone number. Cashier hits the final pay button. 5 off of 20, 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $7.50 for the 6 products, shaking it out to $1.25 per product. This is some feminine care, some shaving cream, and a whole bunch of detergents and stuff for your household. This is also a terrific basket. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.